One of my favorite animals is cats. I love cats. I love dogs too. But I don't really like animal print. And I started to examine why is it that I don't like it. But for me, it's about colors. So today I'm going to create these. So today I just want to have fun and create with my favorite soft, gentle nudes. Let's get started. So I've already got the backdrop and I've already painted all the fingers with 3 different colors, and that's these 3 here. And if you want to know what they are, it's number 8, 39, and 31. And I'm going to put a drop of each one on here to make the cheetah print. Very slight difference in colors, but you can certainly see it. It's quite subtle, but beautiful. And I found with the cheetah print, they're actually not that hard to make. The center is lighter and the outside are darker. That gives you the cheetah print. You could mix it up, but people identify cheetah with the lighter center and the darker outside. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with the lighter color. Now I've got 2 brushes I can use. Well, one's a dotting tool. I can use this really stripy brush or the very tiny marbleizing tool, dotting tool. Maybe I'll use the dotting tool. So I've got the lighter color, the lightest color is actually on these 2, and I've got the darker colors. So I'm going to use, actually, I'm going to do the pinky first. I'm going to make the ring finger an accent nail, and I think the bigger one too. I always start with the one that's not going to be the focus finger, so you can work at all your little bugs then. And this is the lightest color, and I'm going to put that on the pinky, just sort of be the center of the first cheetah. Now with a cheetah, it's not a perfect circle. It's very forgiving. Now it's a tinier finger, so I like to do to scale, so I'm going to do not very, very big ones. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a nuke, and I'm going to get a little soaked alcohol pad so I can use it as to dab off the color off of that dotting tool. Okay. Now I do want a bit of a swirl. You can still use the dotting tool, but because it's such a tiny nail, I'm going to use the really tiny brushes, but I'm going to use the second darkest color. And I'm just going to swipe around the outside. All you're doing is sort of outlining the mist-shaped circle. And it's rather random. You don't have to be uniform with it at all. It's sort of like a circle with 2 C's wrapped around it. And you can take those 2 C's, these are the 2 different colors, and wrap it, and they could touch on this side, they could be random on either side, they could be a little bit random. Okay, so I'm just going to nuke that, and I'm just going to clean my bristles in that soaked pad. Okay, so that's the pinky. Now I do want to add a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of glitz. So I've got Beamy Metal Leaf. I love this stuff. It's so shimmery and adds such a great highlight, but it's very, very dense. So just a little bit shows up. There's 2 colors, light gold leaf and gold leaf. And I think I'm going to use the gold leaf. Okay, now remember this was my accent finger, so I'm going to add a little glitz here with that. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll go It's pretty. Now I'm going to make a few of the cheetah prints, I think, the insides of it a little bit. Maybe I'll use the lighter one. Remember, the inside of a cheetah is lighter, so I'm going to use the lighter gold. And remember, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It's kind of misshapen. Okay, so now I will clean off the bristles because I don't want any more glitter in there. I like that pattern. Okay, so I'm going to nuke that guy.
Quite a funky looking lamp you got there.
It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it. It's from Madame Glam.
Nice.
It's pretty.
Our daughter Carly would like that kind of
Why?
design, I think. Well, she's kind of, it looks kind of hippie, 70s, right?
Yep.
She's kind of that kind of style.
Yep. Okay, so this is the lighter center. So now I'm going to take the outside, being a little bit darker. Okay, and now I'm just going to outline my little cheetah marks. When you're near me. Okay, nuke it. Okay. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have fun and create the rest. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, now I'm just going to top coat. It's a pink cheetah. That's what it is. It's a nude pink cheetah. Let's check out the reveal pictures. Really quite pretty. It's very soft. I love the soft colors. And if anybody wanting to know what I'm wearing on this hand, I have it ready. I'm trying to get used to that. This is 69 with the Joya Mia collection. It's absolutely beautiful. Well, that was fun. I enjoyed doing that. I'm going to try, I think, a tiger design next, maybe even zebra too. Thanks for joining me, you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.